Now we will see how to build the web API project, right? So for building the web API project or existing project, we can do it by using command line interface, either by using command prompt, or the second option we can choose terminal from here in Visual Studio Code, right? So let's choose a new terminal window for building the web API project, and .NET has provided a command that is .NET build. This command is basically used to build the existing project. So let's press enter. We can see our web API project has been built succeeded. We are getting no errors and no warning, right? And now we will run our application. So to run the web API project, .NET has provided one more command, that is .NET run, and press enter. After pressing enter, we can see our application is running on these particular URLs. We can see 5000 and 5001. One is HTTPS and one is HTTP, right? So let's copy one of the URL and paste it in the browser for running the application. Let's go to the Chrome browser and let's paste it over here. We can see it is giving HTTP error 404. That is not found, but no need to worry about that. We need to append Swagger in the URL and press enter. Now we can see a beautiful UI on the screen, right? So this is basically our version of Swagger, and Swagger is basically a testing tool at client end. We can see Swagger is basically used for testing web API. So it is also a client test API tool, right? And over here we can see that we are having one API of type request get. When I'm clicking on this weather forecast web API, we can see we are having no parameters, and in the description it is giving responses, response code, that is success. So this is the way how we can run our web API project by using terminal window in Visual Studio Code.